You see, we are definitely ready to take up the challenges that are there. That's definitely there. But it cannot be done without the full backing and support of the government of India. We have to understand that countries across the world have opened their wallets. They are going right up to 15% of their GDP in terms of stimulus for COVID-19. That's UK with a deficit of something like 2.5%. Even the US with a deficit of 4.5% plus is giving a 10% stimulus, and maybe if that 2 trillion becomes 4 trillion, which is also being talked about, we are talking of huge numbers. Now that is the sort of support that is needed for a stalled economic engine to come back. It's a seizure. The engine has seized. It is not in anybody's control. But what has happened. Now, to oil it back, to make it come back, you have to spend the money. You have to give working capital to the businesses. The MSMEs are in a definitely going to need at least 25% of the working capital they already have from the banks, at least on automatic basis, to be sanctioned to them. On the other hand, what has happened is that although the RBI has said that you must give 10% extra limits, their banks have ended up in the month of March debiting all the installments, all the EMIs, all the interest that they had on their books. So a person who had some reasonable balance in his books as of end of March, on the 1st of April found that his bank balance is zero. So the government has to come out and strongly support the trade and business. The businesses cannot be expected to pay the salaries for the lockdown period. Even for the industry, it's roughly one third to 50% of the labor which will be allowed to come back to work. The balance 50% would still need to be paid by someone. So all these things have to be provided for, and the government has already announced something like 1.7 lakh crores. But what we need at the minimum today is something like 16 lakh crores, which would still be just 5% of the GDP.
Okay, all right. So the government also needs to give the industries a push and needs to hold the hand and take it
And on
forward, is
top of
what you're
that,
suggesting.
the
Okay,
basic
okay,
point is for what Sukhmay mentioned, the demand. The demand is going to be generated basically by government spending. Private investment is not going to happen in the country now for some time to come. It's
right.
the government which has to come out with huge construction projects to generate the demand.